Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about the control center on iOS 18. As you probably know, with iOS 18 now we have a lot more in control on the control center. We can customize it, we can have different pages of toggles, and of course we can add toggles from third-party apps. So in this video, I will show you guys 12 awesome apps that allow you to have custom toggles on the control center of your device. And we're starting things off with ChatGPT. Now with ChatGPT you can have two different controls on the control center. You can see both of them right here at the top. One of them that allows to go quickly to a chat with ChatGPT, from where you can of course start typing anything you want here, or the other one that will actually allow it to go to a voice conversation with ChatGPT. Now these are very useful because you don't have to actually open the app and do all that. You can just quickly go from the control center, and of course you can use the control center from anywhere on your device. It doesn't matter where you are, maybe on your lock screen or maybe within an app. You can just go ahead, launch the control center, tap the toggle, and you're straight into ChatGPT right here and starting a conversation. Next up is Widget Smith. Now Widget Smith is a very popular app. It allows you to add home screen widgets to your device, even customize them and create your own widgets. You probably have heard about this app because it's very popular. But now it also offers widgets for your control center. And here we have a couple of them. This one that says Apple. Basically, it allows you to create an action where you can just open any URL you want directly from the control center or of your device. Or this one right here, which allows me to open any app I want directly from there, which is pretty awesome. Now when you go to Widget Smith, you can go to the section right here where you can add your control center widget. So just tap on control center right there and then tap on add action, and then right here you will have your actions at the top, and then you will have a list of all the different actions that you can create via Widget Smith. Of course, you select one of them and then add the control center widget. Now once you have added the widget, you can of course choose here what you want to see on that widget. It shows action right here, tap where it says open URL in this case, and I can just go ahead and pick any of my actions that I have created within the app and add them to the control center. Next up is Cheatsheet. Now Cheatsheet is an app that allows you to create like quick memos. You don't want to forget something, you can have it on Cheatsheet, and now you can have it on your control center. So you want to quickly remind something, you just pull down your control center and there you have it, just like that one right there. And it also offers of course home screen widgets. Now here we have a couple of different widgets from this app. One that allows me to quickly go ahead and create a new cheat sheet. Directly from here I can just start typing, or if I just want to memorize one and have one anywhere I am on my device, every time I pull down the control center, it's that one right there. Now of course if you have multiple cheat sheets created, you can just tap there and tap and choose whichever cheat sheet you want to display on your control center. Next up is Carrot, the weather app. It's a pretty popular app as well. I know a lot of people do use it, and it offers of course control center widgets. Here we have a couple of them. This one that shows us the forecast for the day, and then we have the weather map right there as well. So from your control center or anywhere you are on your device, you can just pull down the control center and you can quickly take a look at the weather with the Carrot weather app. As easy as that. So it offers these two actions that you can add to your control center. Next up is Fantastical, another pretty popular app when it comes to calendars. This one also has like control center widgets. If we go to add them right here, you can see we have a few of them. So we have actually 4. We can open the app, create an event, create a task, or just search the app from here. So here I have a couple of them. The one to create an event or search the calendar app, I can just go ahead and tap right there. Anytime I want to quickly create an event, I can just tap there and it will take me right into the app and pull up here the new event section where I can just go ahead and quickly create an event. Next up is Waterllama, a pretty cool app that allows to track your water intake. And it of course has some pretty awesome widgets for your control center. Like this one right here, you can see that cool animation. It allows to add water to your daily intake, which is pretty awesome. This one of course lets you open the app, and it has other ones as well. So if we just go here and try to add one, Then we have like 3 of them, one to add water and open the app, add the water there, or just add it quickly as I did, or the other one that takes you basically into the app. Next up is Dark Noise, another very popular app. This one is also updated to offer control center widgets. It basically allows to play any of the noises directly from the control center, and what's cool is that you can have multiple of noises added here, so I can just go ahead and choose whichever one I want to play. Now this app only offers one widget, but you can have multiple of those, and then of course choose different sounds for different widgets. So if I add this one right here, you can see I can choose the noise from here, just choose any noise I want, and even I can add a timer right there, which is pretty awesome, basically letting you just stop that noise automatically once the timer that you have set is done. Frameshot is up next. This app allows you to frame your screenshots. It is actually pretty cool. If you just want to share a screenshot on social media or anywhere, you can just create an awesome look for that screenshot. And here's the widget for the control center. If I tap here, it will take me directly to the app, from where all I have to do is just tap on the latest screenshot. And what this does is that it will pick the latest screenshot and turn it into a really nice looking image. So just like that, as you can see, it does pick up the latest screenshot and create an image out of it. Of course, we can edit this right here because it's actually turned backwards. But as you can see right here, we can change the frames and all that. And you can now quickly do that directly from the control center. Play Later is up next. Now, Play Later is an app that allows you to save videos, basically bookmark videos from YouTube so that you can watch them later. And it allows you to create your collections with videos and all that. It's pretty awesome. Now, here is the widget for the control center, which allows you to quickly go directly to your videos from here. So as you can see, if I just tap right there, it takes me to my videos, and you can see how cool the app is. It shows you your videos here, how many of them you have played, how many you have new, and here we have all the videos, and you have different tags, and also you can actually choose, and actually you can see here you can like arrange your videos based on the creator, which is pretty awesome. Next up is Lock Launcher. Now, Lock Launcher is an app that allows to just launch apps directly from the lock screen or even the dynamic island. And here we have the widgets for the control center, which now allow us to open the apps from the control center as well. Like I can open the Instagram from here, or I can start the dynamic island from here, which means that now I will be able to actually launch the apps that I have set on the app directly from here. Now you have to configure this within the app, and then you will be able to actually start or just stop it directly from there. Sequel is up next. Now, this is an app that allows you to take track of your movies or TV shows, series, whatever you're watching, and you can just go ahead and launch your movies directly from the control center using that widget. Now, what you can also do is search online for movies or anything you want. You will have this other button that allows you to do that. It takes you, of course, into the app, into the search section, where you can go like to different sections here, different categories, or just type any title, actor, or anything you want to search for. And last but not least is Countdown. Now, this is an app that allows to have a button on the control center from where you can quickly start a countdown. You tap there, it takes you into the app, and from here you will be able to start a countdown. You can just choose here what you want to actually create. You can create it from here, and then just go ahead and just start a new countdown from here. If you want to get notifications for your countdown, you can do that from here, and then you will have all your countdowns within the app here. And you can see right there, you can actually customize them any way you want, and even have them as widget on the control, actually on the home screen of your iOS 18 device. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you want to install any of these apps, check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.